this video I'll try to explain another tool which is called rate stretch tool. The shortcut for this is R, and it is hidden under this ripple edit and rolling edit tool which I explained in my last video. So let's get started. What is the purpose of rate stretch tool? Rate stretch tool is basically to make a particular clip in the sequence, in the timelines, to fast forward or to slow or in a reverse manner. So let me get, I have downloaded this race to the top of sand clip and the short clip, free clip, and you can see that they are racing to the top of the sand mountain. I'll drag this clip to my timeline, and you can see the whole clip in my sequence, right, with the normal speed, right. So this is the whole clip. So what I'll do is I'll select rate stretch tool from this, and if you want this clip to move faster, like if I want these persons to race to the top in fast manner, so what I'll do is I'll drag this from the end to the starting point. As I want, let's see, you can see that the duration, the original duration and the duration which is to be achieved after the clip is fast forward. So let's make it around here, and you can see they are running faster in this clip, and the time duration of the clip is shortened. Yeah, you can do the same in the reverse order or with another option. Like, let me undo it, and this is the original clip with the original speed. So click on selection tool, right click on the clip, and you get from here you can go to speed and duration. Click speed and duration. Here you can see, let's see, 100 is the normal speed. If I make it half, 50, it will slow down, and if I make it 200, it will speed up. And the duration is already linked to the speed over here. Here you can see it's 27 second duration and 13 frame. Like, okay, this slow motion, if I make it slow motion, it also depend on the recording of the camera on which the clip is recorded. For example, on most of the latest cameras, they record 60 frame per second, which is FPS. And here my sequence, if I take 30 frame per second or 25 frame per second, and if I slow down, I get that extra frame within that timeline. So the transition from frame 1 till the end in slow motion will be smooth. If it is recorded less than 30 frame per second and or maybe less than 25 frame per second on any other SD cameras, so the duration, you can see that there is a gap, or the clips are halted, or they stopped at a point, like the transition is not smooth. So it depends on the camera. So let's make it a half speed, like 50, and click OK. Now you can see the duration of the clip extend, and if you play from the beginning, you can see they are slow down. So this is another effect you can use in your videos with which is one of the very easy. So let me undo it, and even you can go in the reverse option. For example, if I speed it up to 300, you will see this the clip will be trimmed down. It is basically, sorry, it is not trimmed down, it is shortened to the time frame for faster preview, you can see, right. And if you want them to be in reverse order, like these race, the people to coming down in a reverse order, right click, go to the same settings, speed and duration, and just click reverse speed over here and click OK. And now if you play from the beginning, you can see they are coming in reverse order. So this was a small tube, a handy tool used in most of the cameras. Already they have built in some of the latest cameras where slow motion effects are required. You can even do it with the normal clips here in Adobe Premiere. So this was a short video. Let me know if I missed something, and if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what I can cover in my future videos. Bye bye.